Hey there, thanks for joining once again. So, those of you who have seen the first part, I'm just trying to bring some more visuals here on the ground. So, on the first part, I just described a brief information about what this Katlikai Parshe is all about. So, here you can see this road, which is where the main event will be held, the main Katlikai Parshe event. As you can see, the vendors are now lining up slowly, and as the day picks up, there'll be a huge crowd out here, and there'll be absolutely no place to walk. So behind me, you can see there are a lot of activities going on. I'll just bring that across to you. So you can see there a lot of things are going on right now, and this entire road, what you see behind me, towards the evening, this will be jam-packed with absolutely no place to walk. So if I stand here, automatically I will be pulled right to the end of the road. So that will be the kind of crowd that will pick up here. And of course, we also have the groundnut vendors who are putting up slowly, and then I'll cover that part as well. So activities are slowly picking up, although officially the Kadlekai Parshe will be inaugurated only on Monday. But since this is a weekend, it starts a little bit early, and you can see a lot of crowd building up here. Please do watch. If somebody have missed my introduction, please watch the first part, and then you'll be able to relate the second part pretty easily. So you can connect it from the first part. So I'll now get into the actual ground zero where all the action is going on. So keep watching and let me know your comments. So here you see varieties of groundnuts which are being displayed. So as I said, it's just opening up. Eshama liter eshto? Okay, so it's 40 rupees they're charging. So if you want to come here, make sure you bargain it. So it's 40 rupees is the rate. So get your carry bags, not plastic covers, take cloth covers, go green. And yeah. So here we are, there are some more vendors over here. As you can see, there are mounds of groundnuts lying over here. So people are segregating the bad ones from the good ones. So you can see the boy as well there. Hi, madam. Yeah, good. So people have already started to buy the groundnuts here, as you can see. So this goes on almost for more than a kilometer or so. The entire stretch will be occupied by vendors, and you see people are early in the morning just to avoid the crowd. People are here early so that they can buy in some good stuff. Arvind, thank you so much for your appreciation. I hope you also be here with your family. Enjoy your day here. And thanks others as well who are posting your comments. So here we have some of the very nice, I think these are clay and paper mesh kind of idols, which you see here. Now I'm trying to cross the road here just to show some more of the items that are in display. You can see here there are varieties of mixtures over here, and this one is this is called as a batas. I'm not sure what this is called in English. And we have all this spiced kadlekai as well, and we have kadle puri, which is quite famous, and we also have some household items as well put up for sale. And this is especially, needless to say, ladies corner. I'm sure when I get my wife in the evening, she'll spend most of the time here. and I can happily buy some kadlekai. And we are in for more stalls which is coming up. You see, now you can see a lot of traffic here. Later on, all this will be actually blocked for public traffic, and it will be just human traffic all the way. So Basavangudi is also famous for pretty well-known landmarks. So this Raghavendra Swami temple is one of them. And of course, we have BMS College, we have the Ramakrishna Ashrama, and of course the Vidyarthi Bhavan, where you can get some crispy dosa. So here you see the segregation is still going on, and the crowd is slowly building up. People are waking up, and now for those who have Saturday as a holiday weekend, they have already started to come here. And let me just cover a little bit more. Jaideep, probably you can give me a call later. I'm shooting this video. I'll not be able to pick up your call. Okay, you can see here. So I think this is what Kadlekai Parshe is all about. So as I said, I'll be back here in the evening with more images. So right now, this is the coverage that I had, and I'm sure people are a little bit aware now of what is happening here. And probably it's time for me to sign off and then join you back later in the day or probably in the evening. So do let me know what you felt about this, because I'm planning to do this on a regular basis wherever events happen in Bangalore, just to give it a little bit of historical touch. So if you can see to the left of me, so this is the Dodda Ganapati temple or the Ganesha temple, where most of the activities take place. So of course we will not be able to shoot inside. So this is one of the main areas where the puja starts first, and then a lot of other activities happen. So thank you for being there. I hope I've conveyed a little bit of message of what this Kadlekai Parshe is all about. So as I said, be here, be a part of history, and buy some Kadlekai for your loved ones back home when you're here. Thanks, have a good day ahead, have a good weekend.